Ever tried rolling a snowball down a hill? Picture this. You start with a sad little lump of snow, the kind that looks like it's already given up on life. You give it a half-hearted push, and for a solid 10 seconds, it just sits there. Pathetic. But then slowly, it starts rolling. It picks up speed. It gobbles up snow like it's at an all-you-can-eat buffet. And suddenly, that once pitiful snowball is a full-blown avalanche waiting to happen. Now, replace snow with money. And congratulations! You've just stumbled upon the Dividend Snowball Effect, the closest thing to a magic trick in the investing world. Why this is different from traditional investing. This isn't about working harder, day trading like a caffeinated squirrel, or selling your soul to the stock market. It's about letting your money do the one thing we all wish we could: multiply while napping. Today, I'm spilling the beans on how to turn a humble investment into a cash-spewing machine that pays you thousands a month. Spoiler, it's easier than parallel parking. What is the Dividend Snowball Effect? Let's break it down like you're explaining it to your dog, who, let's be honest, just wants treats. Say you invest $1,000 in a stock with a 4% dividend yield. That means at the end of the year, you pocket $40 in dividends. Now, here's where most folks go wrong. They spend that $40 on a fancy coffee, a vintage lamp from Etsy, or a gym membership they'll use exactly twice. Don't be most folks. Instead, reinvest that cash, buy more shares. Next year, those new shares spit out even more dividends. Reinvest again. Repeat. Suddenly, your portfolio isn't just growing, it's doing backflips. It's like planting a single apple seed and waking up to an orchard 10 years later. Except instead of apples, you're harvesting stacks of cash. And the best part? You didn't even break a sweat. You were too busy rewatching The Office for the 14th time. Dividend snowball versus growth. Which one wins? Investors often debate between the dividend snowball versus growth investing approach. While growth investing focuses on buying stocks that appreciate in value, dividend investing compounds wealth through reinvested payouts. The dividend snowball strategy takes things a step further. It automates compounding, so your money is constantly working for you. Unlike traditional growth investing, where you rely on price appreciation, a dividend snowball portfolio pays you passive income, even when the market is volatile. It's like choosing between a job that pays you only when you work and a job that keeps sending you paychecks for life. How to build a powerful dividend snowball portfolio. Step 1. Pick the right dividend stocks. This isn't Tinder. You want boring, reliable stocks, the ones that have been paying dividends since your grandpa was in diapers. Think of them as the old socks of investing. Not sexy, but dang, do they keep your feet warm? I've done the legwork and found 5 dividend stocks that are basically the Swiss Army knives of investing. Steady, durable, and sharp enough to slice through market chaos. These companies have survived disco, Y2K, and TikTok trends. They're the tortoises in a world of hyperactive hares, and trust me, slow and steady wins the retirement race. Why the dividend snowball strategy works, and why your brain will fight it. Your brain is wired for instant gratification. It wants that $40 dividend now, preferably spent on a neon sign that says, "Live, laugh, latte." But resisting that urge is how you win. The dividend investing strategy is like a gym membership for your willpower. Painful at first, but oh so rewarding when you're flexing a 6-figure portfolio. Think of it this way. Every time you reinvest a dividend, you're hiring a tiny employee to work for you 24/7. Soon, you've got an army of them, hustling while you sleep. And unlike real employees, they never ask for raises or complain about the Wi-Fi. Ready to roll? The hardest part? Starting. But once you do, the snowball does the rest. All you need is time, discipline, and the ability to ignore impulse buys. Looking at you, artisanal toothpick subscription. So grab that sad little snowball of yours. Give it a push. Stock 5. Johnson & Johnson. J&J. Johnson & Johnson J&J stock remains a stronghold in dividend growth investing, offering a solid dividend snowball effect for long-term investors. With a current stock price of $159.37, J&J delivers a forward annual dividend of $4.96 per share, translating to a 3.14% yield. The company's payout ratio sits at 84.9%, reflecting a balance between rewarding investors and sustaining growth. Over the past 10 years, J&J has consistently increased its dividends, boasting a compound annual growth rate of approximately 5.93%. The company maintains a market capitalization of $383.67 billion and trades with a price-to-earnings ratio of 27.52, signaling a strong earnings foundation. Its 5-year beta of 0.51 indicates low volatility, making it a reliable choice for conservative investors. For those leveraging a dividend snowball strategy, reinvested dividends play a crucial role. If an investor places $100,000 into J&J and reinvests dividends over 20 years, assuming a steady 5.93% annual dividend growth, the portfolio could grow to approximately $320,000, showcasing the power of compounding. Additionally, the annual dividend income after 20 years would be around $9,920, reinforcing J&J's position as a passive income powerhouse. Stock 4. Coca-Cola, KO. Coca-Cola, KO, stands as a stalwart in dividend growth investing, offering a reliable dividend snowball effect for investors. With a stock price of $69.67, the company provides an annual stock dividend of $1.94 per share, yielding approximately 2.79%. The payout ratio is 78.63%, indicating a balanced approach between rewarding shareholders and retaining earnings for growth. Over the past decade, Coca-Cola has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, in dividends of 4.75%, underscoring its commitment to consistent dividend increases. Notably, major investment firms such as Berkshire Hathaway hold significant stakes in the company, reflecting strong institutional confidence and favorable stock valuation. For those employing a dividend snowball strategy, reinvesting dividends can substantially enhance portfolio value. Assuming a steady 4.75% annual dividend growth and reinvestment, a $100,000 investment in Coca-Cola could potentially grow to approximately $250,000 over 20 years, aligning with positive stock forecast trends. This stock analysis also suggests an annual stock dividend income of around $7,000 at the end of the period, providing a substantial passive income stream. Stock 3. Procter & Gamble. PG Procter & Gamble PG stock is a cornerstone in dividend growth investing, offering a reliable dividend snowball effect for investors. With a stock price of $166.59, the company provides an annual dividend of $3.83 per share, yielding approximately 2.30%. The payout ratio stands at 63.5%, indicating a balanced approach between rewarding shareholders and retaining earnings for growth. Over the past decade, Procter & Gamble has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, in dividends of 5.6%, underscoring its commitment to consistent dividend increases. Notably, major investment firms hold significant stakes in the company, reflecting strong institutional confidence. For those employing a dividend snowball strategy, reinvesting dividends can substantially enhance portfolio value. Assuming a steady 5.6% annual dividend growth and reinvestment, a $100,000 investment in Procter & Gamble could potentially grow to approximately $300,000 over 20 years. This projection also suggests an annual dividend income of around $9,000 at the end of the period, providing a substantial passive income stream. Stock 2. AbbVie, ABBV AbbVie Inc. ABBV is a prominent player in dividend growth investing, offering a compelling dividend snowball effect for long-term investors. With a stock price of $199.60, AbbVie provides an annual dividend of $6.56 per share, yielding approximately 3.29%. The company's payout ratio stands at 72%, indicating a balanced approach between rewarding shareholders and retaining earnings for growth. Over the past 5 years, AbbVie has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, in dividends of 8.34%, reflecting its commitment to consistent dividend increases. Notably, major investment firms hold significant stakes in the company. underscoring strong institutional confidence. For investors employing a dividend snowball strategy, reinvesting dividends can significantly enhance portfolio value. Assuming a steady 8.34% annual dividend growth and reinvestment, a $100,000 investment in AbbVie could potentially grow to approximately $480,000 over 20 years. This projection also suggests an annual dividend income of around $15,800 at the end of the period, providing a substantial passive income stream. Stock 1. ExxonMobil, XOM. ExxonMobil Corporation, XOM, is a cornerstone in dividend growth investing, offering a robust dividend snowball effect for long-term investors. With a stock price of $111.80, ExxonMobil provides an annual dividend of $3.96 per share, yielding approximately 3.54%. The company's payout ratio stands at 49.6%, indicating a balanced approach between rewarding shareholders and retaining earnings for growth. Over the past decade, ExxonMobil has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, in dividends of 3.59%, reflecting its commitment to consistent dividend increases. Notably, major investment firms hold significant stakes in the company, underscoring strong institutional confidence. For investors employing a dividend snowball strategy, reinvesting dividends can significantly enhance portfolio value. Assuming a steady 3.59% annual dividend growth and reinvestment, a $100,000 investment in ExxonMobil could potentially grow to approximately $204,000 over 20 years. This projection also suggests an annual dividend income of around $7,200 at the end of the period, providing a substantial passive income stream. Investors seeking a dividend investing strategy that maximizes long-term returns often rely on companies with strong dividend growth investing potential. A $500,000 investment split equally, with an average dividend yield of 3.01% and a KGR of 5.64%. This dividend snowball portfolio experiences steady compounding. Over 20 years, the portfolio grows to $1,565,641, producing an annual dividend income of $47,331 through reinvestment. Extending the time frame to 30 years, the total portfolio value reaches $2,872,962, with an annual dividend payout of $87,277, a testament to the power of dividend stocks and strategic reinvestment. Which dividend aristocrat are you most excited about? Coca-Cola? Exxon? The company that makes your toilet paper? Let's debate. Until next time, keep rolling that snowball and remember, wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built one dividend at a time. Smash that subscribe button if you want more lazy genius wealth hacks. Ring the bell so you don't miss the next video.